How to change candle colors in BingX application using your smartphone. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video we are gonna learn how you can customize your chart color and make trading easier on the eyes and help you understand market moves faster. First of all, open the BingX application on your smartphone and log into your account. Once you're logged into the home page of BingX, go ahead and open up any trading chart. I'm just gonna tap on the markets button at the bottom. Now select any currency or the market screen. And once you're inside the market screen, go ahead and click on the gear button at the top right next to the depth button. And this will open up the chart settings. From here, click on Interface. After you tap on Interface, it will open up this section where you'll need to click on Candlestick Color. Now select the candlestick color from the menu. Choose from green up, red down or red up, green down. And you can also customize the bullish candlestick or bearish candlestick from the menu at the bottom. Choose the color you'd like to set for each options. The popular combos are green up, red down, blue up, orange down, white up, purple down, and so on. Just make your selection, customize according to your preference, and once you are done, you can head back to your markets tab and you'll be able to see your candlestick color customized. So that's it. Customizing your chart is a small step that makes a big difference when trading every day. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.